Hello? Hello? Yeah. I thought you weren't doing the weekdays anymore. Okay. Alright, cool. Can I call you back in a minute real quick? Alright, let me just get my thoughts together and plan something. Okay.
Who was that?
Work. Like literally 8 calls.
8 calls?
Do you have a dice anywhere?
A dice?
Yeah.
Yeah, you had like a whole bunch of them. I don't know where you put them.
I know, that's what I was asking you if you knew where they were. Any of them.
In my room? Boys' room?
Alright. Alrighty guys, live here. Thanks for your patience. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just let me know what number you want. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 3 left after this. We got plenty of stuff in stock for the Super Bowl. We've got to do some Tom Brady hunting. Gonna do some Tom Brady hunting tomorrow, along with Mahomes hunting. Kind of preview what we got going on for tomorrow for the Super Bowl. But let me know what box you want, 1, 2, 3, or 4 for the jersey break. Facebook algorithm kept making my post a for sale break. If not, I'll just have one of my kids give me a number if you guys don't pick a number here. But 1, 2, 3, 4. Gio, pick a number 1, 2, 3, or 4.
4.
Number 4? Okay. We're going to do box number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can pick the next one, Marcos. I'm going to post another one here after. We got 3 more of these. Let's see what we got here. Box numero 4. I should just make a post, maybe go live post if you guys want, and fill it spots 1 through 10. Oh my, who is it? Billy Sims. I saw the blue. I thought it was gonna be it looked like it was gonna be Joe Burrow or something. Billy Sims, Lions jersey, rookie of the year. Wrong number 20 for the Lions. Still pretty fire though. So played University of Oklahoma, Heisman Trophy winner, number 1 overall pick in 1980, 3-time Pro Bowl, Offensive Rookie of the Year in 1980, College Football Hall of Fame. Going out to the number 0. Alrighty, guys. I'll post the next ones up here shortly.